Alright, good morning. I got this off the trailer and on the lift here, and I put the battery charger on there because the first thing I wanted to check was the battery. The first thing I see is there's some corrosion on the battery post on the ground side here, which can be problematic on mini bikes. And also the battery itself, when I touched it, it seemed partially wet because it's a lead acid battery, which means that there's supposed to be a certain level of water versus acid, and sometimes they're low on water, especially in South Florida because it's so hot the water evaporates. But also another feature I found is you turn the key on and the cluster doesn't come on. You have to kind of wiggle it to get the key to work. You can kind of see the light come on. You have to find the right position, so the switch is still problematic. There it is. So once it finally goes on, then the bike will start. So it's a combination probably of the post on the battery and water in the battery itself, because it looks like a fairly older battery anyway. You can tell by the sticker on the top. So I'll get the battery out, get some water in there, get that battery actually on a charger, clean the posts and put it back in. Then also I looked at the switch. The switch is here. The wire, one simple wire is all it is. This connector here is the plug. So if the switch is bad, which is problematic because this switch is of course specific only to Aprilia because it opens the seat by turning far left to get the seat open. So if we can't get the switch to behave better, since it's only a 2-wire connector, we can make an on-off switch somewhere else on the bike that becomes your ignition basically. We could put a key on it or just be a switch. So I'll give you a call later.